So hi friend, this is Amit. This is a very urgent video regarding Comet K 2024.
सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे आप जा सकते हैं।
As you all know, soon they are going to start the choice filling process. So here, after watching this video, you will able to guess something that is based on your rank. What are the options you have? What you should fill in the choice filling, and obviously I am here to guide you for the personal choice filling. But if you want a general information, here I am going to provide you, that is from 5k up to 70k. If your rank is from 5000 up to 70,000, then this video is for you. So please try to watch this video up to the last, so that I will provide you college and branch for particular rank, what you should fill and what are the options for you. If you first talk about rank up to 5000, then obviously RBC, BMS, MS Ramaiah, JSS, STU, and PACE, Ring Road and Electronic City campus with CSC, CSC specialization, EC, ISC. These are the branch available. Obviously in RBC it is not possible up to 5000, but if your rank is up to 5, means your rank can be 1500, 1500, sorry, and 500, 2100, 2000, 3000, like this rank. If you have, then these are the college you have the option with CSC, CSC specialization. It is like cyber security, data science. These are the branch available in CSC specialization. So hope you get my point. So this was about up to 5000 rank. Now if you talk about up to 15,000 rank, before that let me inform you again, if you want the complete counseling guidance 1-to-1 from me, that is personalized choice filling after each round, what you should do, whether you should go for third round or not, because once you go in third round you will not get the refund of your payment. You may have to pay penalty to the college also for 4 years. So that's why it is very important to do the counseling very carefully. You may have the other option as well, because no one attend only Comet K exam or counseling. Many of you are having multiple options as well. So according to that I will guide you whether you should join Comet K colleges or not. So if you want, you can contact me for Comet K, JOSA, BITSAT, Manipal, all type of counseling across India. I will guide you, as I am guiding from last 6 years. Hope you get my point. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, Comet K, EEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sideways you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get 1-to-1 personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending your details. Now if we talk about up to 15,000 and above, whatever college I have suggested up to 5,000, those colleges with non-tech branch, means except CS, CSC specialization, EC, ISC, that is mechanical, civil, electrical, these branch will be available. And the Dayanand Sagar, Bangalore Institute of Technology, NI Mysore, BMS ITM, SM VIT, UBC, these are the colleges will be available with CSE, CSC specialization, ISC and EC branch. So counseling is very important. Do it very carefully to get best out of your rank. This is my advice to you. Kindly do it very carefully. If you know everything, you can do it by yourself or take the help of any experienced person. If you have in your home elder brother or your father know anything about the counseling process, they can do. Otherwise you should take the help from any experienced person like mentor. If you want, you can contact me, or there are lots of counselor as well, you can contact them also. Rank up to 25,000, above all, that is whatever college I have suggested up to 15,000, those college with non-tech branch, again with civil, electrical, mechanical, this type of branch. And some college I am telling you with the CSE, EC you will get SIT Tumkur, NIT Meenakshi, SJB, BNM, CMRIT, NMIT. There is these colleges are available with CS, CSE specialization, ISC and EC branch. Now if we talk about up to 35,000, then above, means the previous slab colleges will with EC and non-tech branch, and KLE, RVITM, JSS, AT, Dr. Ambedkar, Geetam, BNMIT, these colleges will be available with CSE branch, and CSE, ISC, EC you can say. Now if you talk about rank up to 50,000, then Acharya, SDM, DSATM, PACE Mandya, Sambharm, AMC, Jain College. These are the colleges will be available with CSE, EC, ISC, CC specialization up to 50,000 rank. If you do the counseling up to last round very carefully, then only in first round you are not going to get this college. Up to third round, once you do best counseling, then only you are going to get the college. Now, if you talk about up to 70,000 rank, Oxford, Alliance, E. John Institute of Technology, C College of Engineering, SJCIT, Malnath College of Engineering, KLE IT Hubli, JNNC, that is Jawaharlal Nehru College of Engineering, Moga. So these are the options you have up to 70,000 rank. So hope you find this information very useful for you. Many of you may not know about this college name, whatever I suggested you, but whatever college I have selected in this video, all will provide you best education and best placement also. Obviously, you know, if you go higher rank, you will not get so much better placement, but they will provide you the opportunity. It all depends on your skill set after 4 years, how much job placement you will get, that is a salary. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any update regarding community counseling as well as other counseling also across India. Thank you.